Alright, today we are dealing with a pressure washer that we picked up a while back. This one is a Greenworks 2000 PSI, but this will pretty much pertain to just about all of them. What we're going to do is, I noticed when you would put the soap in here, you'd have to use a special nozzle to use the soap. And then when you put on the regular nozzles, the soap is supposed to stop. I noticed that this thing would keep sucking soap, so it's pretty much wasting it, which nobody wants to do because that stuff can be expensive. I think the thing is when you put the other nozzles on, you tend to not notice that it's using any soap. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a shutoff valve onto the hose. And this one's actually made for gas. It's for a Briggs & Stratton. And I found that the inlets on it are the same diameter as the inside of the hose. So we're just going to install this and check it out and make sure it works. We have our shutoff valve out of the package. And if you want to, you can probably cut this and put it in line here. But since it's such a sharp bend right here, what we're going to do is we're just going to unhook it, and then we're going to bring it around here instead so you have more space. And then we'll just put it in line there and probably just put it forward so it's not getting in the way of anything. The only thing you're going to need for this is scissors, and that's it. So, I would like my valve right in here. So what we're going to do is, we're going to cut this part off. And then we're going to install this valve on. It has a direction flow on it. So, since it's going into this pump, we're going to put it in the opposite direction. And then you hook it up and that's it. You're done. So I'm going to put some soap in here and I'm going to hook the hose to it and you'll be able to see how it works. Couldn't be easier. Alright, now we're gonna try this valve here for the soap. I have everything hooked up, it's pressurized, so when you pull the trigger, just sprays like normal. So we're going to turn on the valve and see if it starts sucking the soap out. And you see that it does. So we're going to spray down just the front end of my car. I don't know if you can see this, but we'll see that the soap's coming out. Hopefully you can see the suds dripping off of it. Now we're going to turn the valve off and see if that stops. Yeah, still looks a little bit soapy, but the main thing we're focusing on is that this isn't dropping while I'm using the sprayer. Sorry for that. And if you notice down in here, the bubbles haven't moved at all since the shutoff valve is actually off, and the level never dropped in here. And that's pretty much what I'm looking for. I'm not into wasting soap. So, if this helps anybody out, let me know. If you have any questions for any parts, let me know down in the comments. Thank you.